One go. Rebound and here's Guillermo. Behind the back. Spectacular pass. Here's Serrano again. Fix. The floater of the glass back and Serrano. High pass. Pablo left alone. 4-3. Bang! Bang, 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 bang. Oh, recover. Corner. Saktong pasa. Bakit? And for the inbound, Pablo versus Meneses. And first ball possession for Team Pidigan. And cross the middle. Serrano passes to Cansanillo. Cansanillo pass to the middle. Pablo holds the ball. Will attack. Corner pass. Will drives. Recover. Sa gitna. Serrano wide open. Bam! First! And Reverente pass to Pablo. Pass to Meneses. Reverente to Meneses. Left alone for Dre. Off the mark. Rebound Pablo to Serrano. Serrano crosses the mid lane. Pass to Cansinillo. Cross pass. Cabanilla. Corner pass. Here's Serrano again. Fix. The floater of the glass back and set. And here's Pablo against Cansanillo. He bump. He spins. Lost the handle. Stolen. And here's Serrano. Lace. Easy to. Back to back. Door inbound. Reverente. Pass to Gulayan. Pull up. J. Bullseye at the baseline. Pass. Pablo. Process over. Will attack. Corner pass. Picks. Bump, lace, yes sir! Cansanillo, pinasa sa gilid, pinapitin, wala! Put back shot, bakit? And Reverente, high pass, Pablo left alone, 4-3, bang! Bang, 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 oh! And high pass, inside, stolen by Meneses and Pablo, pass, Gulayan with lace, bakit? Serrano, pass inside, rejected. Oh, inbounding, high pass to Pablo, the alley pass, perfect execution. Looking for receiver, pass to Gulayan, and here's Gulayan. 4-3, Meneses, off the mark. Pablo, the long pass, and here's Serrano, spins, fakes, clutch, pinabitin, basket. And here's Pablo left alone, 4-3, Nugget. Rebound by Bello. Reverente picks bomb. Uy, it's offensive foul, no basket. Pablo to Gieb. Attack, goes inside. Pass to the middle. Bulayan, won't go. Rebound Gieb, fake. Kicks out, wide open for 3. Bam! Oh! And here's Serrano. And recover. Corner, saktong pasa, bakit? And to the middle, Meneses, high pass. Corner, Pablo for 3. Bam! Oh! Here's Pablo. Now the long pass. And attacks the floater of the glass, no good. And the long pass. And Guille, Blaze, easy to Guille. Pablo. Voice pass, inside. Oh, he's stolen again. And a pass. Pinitbit. Bakit? Oh! And Serrano. Bump. The long pass. Eksakto yung pass sa Pix. Bounce pass. Lost the handle. Recover. Pablo. Inside pass. Pass rejected by Meneses. And there's Meneses. Bump. Cansinillo nakalusot. Cansanillo pinasa. Bump. Fast. No good. Cañeta put back shot. Bakit? Cañeta to Serrano. Serrano against Gieb. Serrano will attack. Will bump. Will left-handed. Lace. Bakit? Gieb inbounding. Looking for the receiver. High pass to Pablo. Fires at 3. One go. Rebound by Meneses pass of the window. Bakit? And the pass. And here's Cancinillo. Left-handed lay short. Meneses pass to Pablo. High pass. And Pablo to Pablo. At the buzzer. Oh, no basket. No. And Pablo inbounding to Giev. Inside pass. Pablo will post. Pablo. Hook shot. Short. Rebound Cañeta. Cañeta. Pass to. And back. Fires off the glass. Bakit? And here's Giev. Pass to the middle. Meneses bump. Will spin. Will fakes. Kicks out. Pablo. Against Serrano. Fabro. Goes. Spice a 3. Short. Rebound Pablo. Will bump. Recover. Pull up J. Gulayan. Bullseye. Gulayan. Cañeta. Cañeta to Cansanillo. Cansanillo to Serrano. Serrano will attack, goes inside, will fire, won't go. Rebound, and here's Giev. Behind the back, spectacular pass. Sa likod. And fires a 3. Bam! Giev. Pass to Meneses, will drive. Ilya to Cansanilla, stops. Pass to Cañete. Cañete. Natapikan. Here's Giev. Stolen again. And the pass break. And Pablo short. The follow-up shot. Rever. And here you go. Cañete. Pass to Serrano. Bump. Post up. Falling away. Bullseye. Meneses. Meneses bounce pass to the corner. And the pass is stolen by Cañeta. Pass break. Nauna na. Serrano, easy bucket. Meneses to Pablo. Pablo drives, goes to the hoops. Nugget, rebound, high pass, and 2-on-1. Cancenilla, pass, lace, easy bucket. Pablo will pick up the ball. He goes to the screen. He attacks, kicks out, traveling. Cancenillo, high pass. Follow up, one go, rebound. Cancenillo fakes sa gitna. Pull up J, bullseye! Cañete. Bansanilla inside pass, lace! Bucket for 2! And here's Pablo. Pass to Giev. To Meneses. Meneses will fire. Bam! Ganes! And here's Giev. Pass to Meneses. Oop! Bounce pass. Bounce pass back, lace! Easy bucket! Picked up! Pass to number 29. Pass, stall, recover. And the pass, will Pablo will attack. Will lace, Pablo! What the? And the pass, here's Meneses. Goes to the screen, will attack. Will lace, basket and one. And here's number 29. Will attack. Goes inside, the pass is stolen. Here's Meneses. Crossover. Attacks, lace, too strong. And rebound by Bello. Here's Giev, floater, bullseye, the nets. Giev. Pablo. Down to 4-point lead. Here's Pablo. Ito, Serrano. Serrano. Crossover, picks. Corner, open look, fires. Bullseye. And Giev. He stops to the middle. Meneses will drive the floater. Won't go. Hook shot. Bucket. Meneses. And here's Giev. Pass to the wings. To Giev at the middle. Against Serrano. Creating space. Pass to the middle. Wide open for 3 short. And Revon Cansanillo pass break. And here's Serrano bump. Lace. Bucket. Serrano. Nakangiti. And this go. Pull up jumper. Gulayan short. Rebound Meneses. And Pabros won't go. And bounce pass. Meneses. Oh, sinausaw. Meneses. And here's Serrano against for defender Rook. Natamaan sa mukha. Will attack. Stolen. Recover by Meneses. Bump. Pass. Oh, traveling. That's the end. Sanilla inbounding passes to Serrano will bump, will spin, will fires. Won't go. Rebound by Meneses. Meneses will attack. Will spin it, bit, lays off the glass, face to face. And here's Bacanilla. And kicks out. Serrano fakes. And pass. Cansanilla open look. Bang! And to the middle, Pablo. Crossover. Attacks. Spins. Kicks out. Open look. For 3. Bang! Another. Against Serrano. High pass to Fabro. Fabro. Against Cabanilla. Hook pass inside. Kicks out. Drives. Gulayan. Floater shot. Corner. Bucket. Bound. Kicks out. And here's Gulayan. Stop for 3. Bang! Goal! And the long pass. Serrano. Sinausaw! Serrano. And here's Pablo. Bounce pass to Meneses. Open look. Fires. Bullseye. Meneses. Pass to Pablo. Attack. Baseline jumper. Bullseye for the lead. For receiver. High pass. And here's Cañete. Rejected. Put ba? Pinasa. Pinabitin. Foul. Low. Change favor ulit tayo. 1 point lead for Pidigan. And here's Gulayan. Pull up J. Short. Another rebound. Gulayan. Bounce pass. Kicks out. Gulayan. To Meneses. Will post. Will attack. Will stop. Will pass. Pull up J. Gulayan for the lead. And the high pass. And here's Cansanillo. Sumigsag. Stops. High pass. Corner. Cabanilla. Cansanillo. Open look for 3. Bam! Down. The third quarter. Pabro. Serrano back to the ball game. Pabro against Serrano. He stops. So launches on 3. Bam! Oh! High pass. Pablo. Pablo will attack. Will scope. Will lace. Nugget. And Meneses will attack. Sinausaw. 6-point lead. Cansanilla. Cansanillo. Pass to the middle. Pablo. Will post against Reverente. Will spins. And post. He fires. Bucket. Pablo. Kicks out. Pablo. Will drive. Side step. Euro step. Lace. Target. Rebound. And the pass break. Nauna na si Cansanilla. Lace. Bucket. Down to 2-point lead. Cansanillo against Pablo. Pablo post up against Reverente. Posting up. Attacks. Nakalusot. Hook shot. Rejected. Rebound. Put back. Bucket. Tie game. Attacks. Give. Corner. Pablo open look. Bam! For the lead. Bounce pass. Pablo. Crossover. Nakalusot. Will attack inside pass. Kicks out. Open look. Cansanilla. Once for 3. Nugget. Rebound. Cañete. Inside pass. Floater. Rejected. Oh, rejected. And there you go. Now in hurry. Side step. Stolen. Cansanilla. And the pass. Cañete. And Cansanillo. And pass. Inside pass. Lace. Bucket. Pablo. Down to 1. Goes to the screen. High pass. Meneses. The lap pass. And the finish perfect. And the high pass. And stolen again. And give. Give to the hoops. Bucket. Give. Pablo pass. Open look for 3. Short. Rebound. And Serrano create space. Pinabitin. Basket and 1. Oh! Last throw. In and out. Oh! And the pass. Give. Will attack. Inside pass. Pass. Bucket. Oh! Against Gulayan. Will attack. Will goes inside. Will fires. First throw. Bucket. Last on the free throw. Serrano. Bucket. Give. Give. Will attack. Looking for receiver. Pablo will fire. Won't go. Rebound. Give again. Kicks out. Traveling. 1 minute 30 seconds. Will bump. Will stop, will kicks out to Serrano. And is Serrano. First throw. Oh, short! Oh, on the free throw. Down to 1 point, 2 points. Cross the mid lane. Giev. Shot clock down to 11. Pull up jumper. Won't go. Uy. And Pablo first on the free throw. Pablo. First throw. Won't go. Last on the free throw. Pablo. Goes in. Down to 1 point game clock. Shot clock down to 15. Giev with the ball. Still dribbling. Pass to Pablo. Pass back. 10 seconds to shoot. Will attack. Will pass. Menezes rejected. Kicks out. Pablo will go. Inside pass. Floater. Bakit? For the rebounding. Pass to Pablo. Pass to Serrano. And will attack. Will bump. Will fire a 3 for the tie. Won't go. And recover Canzanilla for 3. Bam! Tie game. 14 seconds to shoot. 20 seconds and the same clock. Will attack. Will lost the handle. Will kicks out. Wide open attacks. Oh! Here's Giev. Giev shot clock down to 8. Down to 7. Will attack. Will kicks out. Twice. Won't go. Oh! That's a time. Pinato! Sinilio inbounding. And we are at the overtime. Tied 80. Serrano against Gulayan. Serrano consuming the clock. Goes to the middle. Launches on 3. One go. Rebound. Put back. Pablo. No good. And Menezes the rebound. Giev will set the play. Giev at the top. Goes to the middle. Zigzagging. Kicks out Pablo. Giev will attack. Will spin. Oh, stolen. And the pass. Serrano. Lazy Nausa. Easy to for the lead. And here's Menezes. Menezes. Pass to Giev. Pass to Pablo. Pablo to Giev. Will attack. Will spin. Oh, recover. To the middle. Stolen. Serrano. Serrano. Sunta pass. Bakit? 4-point lead. Para lang. Gulayan at the top. Pass to Reverente. High pass to Pablo. Pablo. Pass to Reverente. Menezes. Oh, tinulak. Oh, pushing foul. Serrano, 2 on the free throw area. Bakit? Last on the free throw. Bakit? Between the legs. And a 6-point lead now. Pablo goes to the middle. Will fakes. Will fire. Bang! Pablo cross the mid lane between the legs. Pass to Serrano. Will fire sa 3. Bang! Pablo will attack. Will behind the back. Stepping back. Uy. Person the free throw. Reverente. Oh, no good. Reverente. Oh, no good. Rebound. Delio kicks out. Open look for 3. Bam! 3 points. Oh! Yung baril. Oh, stolen. Attacks. Bump. Spins. Falling away. Oh, no. Basket. Foul. 2 on the free throw. Pablo, person on the free throw. No good. Pablo on the free throw. Bucket. And high pass. Lost the handle. Recover. And here's Serrano. High pass. Pablo spins. Stolen. For the tie. Will attack. Hook shot. Tie game. Gulat. In the pass, Serrano. Will set the play. 10 seconds to shoot. Serrano, 5 seconds to shoot. Will spins. Will fast. Pass to Reverente. Goes to the middle. Will attack. Will lace. Rejected. And stolen. And the pass. And now. Goes inside. Pass. My foul. First on the free throw. Will short. Last on the free throw. Bucket. 1 point lead. Pick up the ball. And here's Pablo. Last 1 minute. Pablo to Giev. Giev will attack. Will lace off the glass. Won't go. Rebound. Pablo will dribble. Will spin. Will bounce pass. Will pass to the number. Cansanillo. Cansanilla. And goes to the middle. Pablo. And the pass will attack. Side step. Up. Pablo. 24 seconds on the game clock. 13 to shoot for 3. Bam! Oh! For the inbound. Pass to Pablo. Will attacks. Recover. Inside pass. Will fire. Too strong. Oh, rebound. Baseball pass. And goal ayan. High pass. Reverente. First throw, 7.2 seconds left. Bucket, Reverente. Last on the free throw. Bucket, 4-point lead. And Serrano. He lost. Pass for 3. 1 go. Oh! 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 Congratulations.